Are you ready to dive in the world of project management? Hit that subscribe button as we explore how to stay relevant in an agile workforce. Essential risk concepts. I first want to define uncertainty and then risk. Uncertainty is the lack of awareness or understanding of events, issues, or solutions within a project. It stems from ambiguity, which are multiple possible outcomes, complexity, which are interconnected variables, and volatility, which are rapid, unpredictable changes. Risk is defined as an uncertain event or condition that if it occurs, it can have a positive or negative effect on project objectives. Risk is part of every project. It is the uncertainty that potentially can impact your project's objectives, timeline, or budget. Common project risk can range from technical challenges, resource constraints, or unexpected changes in scope. The project manager plays a vital role in fostering a risk-aware culture, facilitating open communication. A project manager accomplishes this through risk management. Risk management is the process of identifying, assessing, and responding to project risks, minimizing their potential negative impacts, and capitalizing on the positive opportunities. Each risk identification is key. Techniques such as brainstorming, SWOT analysis, and expert consultation are used to identify risk. Once risks have been identified, risk needs to be assessed based on likelihood and potential impact. This helps prioritize which risk needs the most attention. Risk mitigation strategies can include risk avoidance, which are eliminating the risk altogether, risk transfer, which are shifting the risk to a third party like insurance, or risk mitigation, reducing the likelihood or impact of the risk. And then last but not least, risk acceptance. This is acknowledging the risk and having a contingency plan. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more project management content. See you on the next one.